So we're going to get into what are we doing with CodeAvengers. So we're going to look up CodeAvengers. Now mine automatically logs in, so I'll just very quickly look up CodeAvengers where it won't log in since incognito won't cache any of my memory. So when we go login, it'll be your first dot last name. So we can say first dot last name at SVHS student dot school dot NZ, and your password is going to be whatever your password is from the school system, and you're going to hit login. So once you log in, you are going to get your course library show up with all the different courses you can potentially do. We need loads. There we go. So you won't get the teachers section, you'll get this. And there's a heap of options in here. And I said for you to do HTML/CSS1. Okay, so just click this. And you can basically just go start lesson. So when you hit start lesson, you'll get the first lesson. And it'll say, do you want to take the tour? And you can go, yeah, sure, we can take the tour. And it's going to ask, do you want text or video? Just click text, because otherwise you have videos that keep popping up in your face. If you really wish for the video, you can click this, video explanation. And it'll explain through what to do. You go, 1 minute 23 video here, so you hit play. And you'll get, I forget his name. The guy who made the website, that's his voice anyway. He did this while he was doing his PhD in computer science. Then, which his thesis wasn't on this, funnily enough. Anyway, so this basically shows what would be displayed if you were to code your own website, what it would actually do. This is where you write your stuff for your website. So if I kind of go into, normally it'll show, if I click my page, there you go, there's my stuff there. But this here is your instructions, right? This is, so you read this here. Web pages are made of 2-column languages. Read through. Lessons 1 to 10, you'll create your own profile. Lessons 11 to 20, you'll build your own business profile page and learn basics of CSS, which is styling code. Right. Your first task on line 1. There's line 1 at the top. Line 1. In the editor, please replace, type your sentence here with a sentence. So if I reset this, you get this that normally starts. And you say about why you want to learn to code. And you're like, I don't know, cause. This is normally testing for have you replaced the text and actually put the answer in. Then click check. Now, it will sometimes ask for type in something specific and we'll put it in with capitals and everything. You need to put it in the same because it's going to be checking through your code to say, did you put that exact phrase in here? And so when you check it, it'll say, yes, you've done that. Okay, great. Then you can click next, but you can see there's an arrow there, next. Right, and it says here on line 3. I don't have a line 3, just like you could do on a computer in Microsoft Word. You just press enter, gets you down lines. Then it says compare the code with a certain screen. Okay, so type a second sentence about what you want to build, like some stuff. And you can see how this has actually all been typed on one line. But if you read this, instead of skipping over it, the phone displays your sentence in the code editor. Following the instructions. Okay, so nothing really exciting to say here, but it does quite often do explaining in here. And I have a lot of students going, oh, mister, I don't know what to do. I'm like, did you actually read what it was talking about? No. And so they don't really know what the whole point of the task is. And so that way this becomes confusing. Right, compare your, okay, we can see I've written on two lines, but this has not displayed it on 2 lines. Now press several spaces between 2 of your words. 2 of my words, several spaces. Still doesn't show any different. Notice the faint exit, ignore, press check. Okay. Right, to your next lesson. Then it says, right, here is where some explaining happens. The web browser here ignores extra HTML code. No matter how many spaces you put between the lines, there is only one shades apart. So make the sentence appear on separate lines. You need an HTML tag. Put these tags in special bits of code. These are put with these angle brackets. They are found down by the M key, bottom right hand corner. Right, for example, this BR tag is a line break tag, which makes the text come on the next line, appear on the next line. So if I do this, look, you can see it's updated. Now it's on two different lines. Put your BR between the two sentences, preview the results, hit check. Okay, so you guys are starting to get the idea. So this is really all the video is about.